Welcome to District 11, in the heart of Novena, a highly coveted area in central Singapore. Hi, I'm Damon.
I'm Cheryl from OrangeTee AAG. Nestled here is 69 Moulmein Road, a unique and rare standalone block with an iconic point block layout, offering unparalleled privacy with its corridor-free design, stylishly designed with functionality in mind. This home is a perfect blend of modern living and central convenience. Let's explore together. Stepping in, the seamless 10-meter-long dining and living space immediately catches your eye. A sleek floor-to-ceiling shoe cabinet with mirrors and ample storage sits by the entrance, blending beautifully with the home's clean lines without any obstruction. The living area flows effortlessly into an indoor balcony-like corner at the far end, offering open, bright views. This cozy lounge space, stuffed with bean chairs and a soft rug, creates the ultimate relaxation zone. The entertainment area complements this setup with a large sofa, a wall-hung TV, and a stunning frosted glass panel feature wall that adds a modern, contemporary touch.
Ivory tiles, creamy walls, and sleek cabinetry in natural light oak and white ties the space together, creating a bright, inviting atmosphere with nowhere sun to disrupt your comfort.
It's cleverly designed with an integrated dining table for 2 stools, yet it can sit up to 4. The heart of this home is undoubtedly the open-concept kitchen, anchored by a stunning extended island with a pristine quartz countertop. This multifunctional centerpiece is both practical and beautiful. The connected higher island features functional drawers and ample storage below. Adjacent is the main kitchen, featuring a built-in oven, electric hob, hood, and marble-look backsplash for a timeless finish. Storage is abundant here, with a 3.25-meter built-in cabinet system spanning the kitchen wall, blending into the home's aesthetic. Open shelving at the end of these cabinets lead to the yard, where clever shelving and countertop house your washer, keeping the space tidy. The common bathroom beside it mirrors the neutral tones of the home, keeping the design consistent and clean. The first bedroom is bright and versatile, offering the flexibility to be used as a study, yoga room, or guest room. With ample space, it comfortably accommodates a queen or king bed, allowing you to tailor the space to your needs. At the rear of the home, 2 bedrooms offer exceptional privacy, with the option to connect them via a sliding door. The master bedroom has been thoughtfully transformed into an open-concept walk-in wardrobe with a customizable modular system, perfect for organizing and displaying your wardrobe. A full-height mirror amplifies the sense of space, while built-in drawers and shelving ensure every inch is utilized efficiently.
The ensuite bathroom, finished in dark, calming tones with ambient lighting, provides a tranquil retreat. Adjacent to the master, the connecting bedroom is a peaceful haven, kept minimal to ensure restful nights. The rooms feature warm parquet flooring, enhancing the cozy atmosphere.
This home is ideally located in District 11, just 2 bus stops or a 10-minute walk from Novena MRT. Major malls are all within easy reach. For your daily needs, the vibrant Pekyo Market is just a short 5-minute walk away, with fair price, shops, and many hawker stalls offering local delights. Schools within 1 kilometer include SJI Junior, Hong Wen, and Farrer Park Primary. Plus, with CTE and PIE, you're well connected to the rest of the island, making commuting a breeze. Convenience and connectivity are truly right at your doorstep.
This rare unit at 69 Moulmein Road combines thoughtful renovations, modern design, and a prime location.
Whether you're a single professional or a young couple, this home offers the perfect balance of style and functionality. Thanks for joining us on this tour. We'd love to help you find your dream home. I'm Cheryl.
I'm Damon.
Real
Real
estate
estate with
How
Harris.
So.